Today, we're counting down the top 6 best dash cams of 2025, packed with 4K recording, night vision, GPS tracking, and smart app control. Meet the ROVE R2 4K Dual Dash Cam, one of the most advanced dual-channel dash cameras of 2025. It records in 4K Ultra HD 3840 x 2160p from the front and 1080p from the rear, giving you complete coverage of the road ahead and behind. Equipped with the Sony STARVIS 2 sensor and super night vision technology, this dash cam delivers crystal clear footage even in low light. Thanks to its ultra-fast 5G Wi-Fi, you can download videos directly to your smartphone at up to 20 MB per second using the ROVE app, and even update the firmware over the air. It also comes with built-in GPS, letting you record real-time speed and location data, perfect for evidence or trip tracking. This ROVE R2 4K Dual truly stands out for its premium features and reliability, making it a top pick for any driver. Next up, we have the REDTIGER F7NP Dash Cam, combining 4K Ultra HD front recording with full HD rear coverage. Its wide 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear angles reduce blind spots, capturing license plates and road details clearly. With its f1.5 large aperture lens and HDR/WDR night vision, this dash cam ensures clear footage even in challenging lighting. You can easily control it through the REDTIGER Cam app, available on both iOS and Android. View live footage, download recordings, and share clips instantly. It also features a built-in GPS to log your driving route and speed, plus loop recording, G-sensor, and a 24-hour parking monitor for extra security. Best of all, it comes with a 32 GB card, so it's ready to use straight out of the box. The REDTIGER F7NP delivers great value with its blend of performance, clarity, and smart connectivity. All product links are in the description below, so check them out and see the latest prices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest product reviews, gear comparisons, and trend picks. The WOLFBOX G840S takes dash cams to another level, integrating a 12-inch smart rearview mirror display with 4K UHD front and 1080p rear recording. This upgraded mirror cam offers 1.5x the viewing area of a standard rearview mirror, drastically reducing blind spots. Its 170 degrees front and 140 degrees rear lenses provide a wider, safer view of your surroundings. With 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, the connection to the WOLFBOX app is super fast, letting you view and share videos effortlessly. The included GPS antenna ensures accurate route tracking and speed data overlay. For image quality, the WDR and HDR technologies balance lighting in bright or dark scenes, while the low reflectivity LCD minimizes glare. And with its 24-hour time-lapse parking monitor, your car stays protected even when you're not around. The WOLFBOX G840S combines elegant design with cutting-edge clarity and safety features, perfect for modern drivers. At number 4, the ROVE R2 4K single-channel dash cam proves that simplicity can still mean power. It records in stunning 4K Ultra HD 2160p with super night vision technology, powered by the Sony IMX335 sensor and f1.5 aperture lens for crystal clear clarity. This model also includes Wi-Fi 6 connectivity, allowing fast 4K video downloads and easy sharing through the ROVE app. Its built-in GPS accurately tracks your route and speed, and you can view everything through ROVE's GPS player on PC or Mac. Built to last, it features a supercapacitor, loop recording, motion detection, and supports up to 512 GB SD cards. Backed by ROVE's 1-year warranty and USA-based customer support, the R24K is a reliable, professional-grade dash cam for daily use. Now, let's talk about power and versatility. The Vantrue N4. This is a 3-channel dash cam, recording the front, rear, and cabin all at once. With resolutions up to 1440p plus 1440p plus 1080p, it gives you a 360 degrees field of protection. The infrared night vision inside camera is perfect for rideshare drivers, clearly capturing passengers even in total darkness. When switched to dual mode, it records 4K front and 1080p rear, ideal for high-quality evidence. It also includes 24-hour parking mode, G-sensor, loop recording, and supports up to 512 GB SD cards. Powered by a supercapacitor, the Vantrue N4 is heat-resistant and built for durability, even in extreme weather. Whether you drive for work or travel often, this 3-way dash cam ensures complete visibility and security wherever you go. Finally, we have the OVEM NK600 Dual Dash Cam, a feature-packed model offering 4K front and 1080p rear recording. Its 3.59-inch IPS display provides a bright, user-friendly interface, while the 5G Wi-Fi connection ensures ultra-fast video transfer and app control. The built-in GPS logs every detail, including route, speed, and location. Its wide 170 degrees front and 160 degrees rear lenses capture everything around you with precision. The K600 also comes with HDR night vision, loop recording, and a 24-hour parking monitor for continuous surveillance. And yes, it includes a free upgraded 64 GB SD card, offering plenty of space for your recordings. Sleek, powerful, and reliable, the OVEM NK600 is an excellent choice for drivers who value both clarity and convenience. And that wraps up our list of the top 6 best dash cams of 2025. From ultra-clear 4K recording to smart GPS tracking and 24-hour protection, these dash cams are designed to keep your journey safe and stress-free.